Okay, here we have section 4.2, angles of triangles. So main ideas, the angle sum theorem and the exterior angle theorem. So this is the angle sum theorem, which just says that the sum of all three angles in a triangle must add to 180. So you can use that to find missing angles, like here in example 1. So here, there's angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. So in this triangle, that's 28, that's 82. So to find angle 1, you can take 180 minus the two angles that you know. So it's going to be 70 degrees. Now to find angle 2, angle 1 and angle 2 are vertical angles. So if angle 1 is 70, angle 2 is also 70. And then to find angle 3, well, now I know that 2 is 70, so I know two of the three angles in this triangle. So 180 minus 70 minus 68. So that's 180 minus 138. So that is 42 degrees. Will be that one. Whoops, off the screen. 42. Theorem 4.2 here is just the third angle. It says that if you have two triangles and two of the angles in each triangle are congruent, the third angle is also congruent. So this slide talks about exterior angles. So the exterior angle is formed by one side of a triangle and the extension of another side. So that looks something like this. That's the exterior angle. And here it's talks about remote interior angles. Those are the two interior angles farthest from the exterior. So if that's the exterior, these two y's are the remote interiors. Now, the exterior angle is the sum of the remote interiors, which is what theorem 4.3 says here. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of the two remote interior angles. So example 2 here, we'll work our way around and find all the values. So angle 1 here is exterior. These are the remotes. So angle 1 is the sum of those two angles. So angle 1 is going to be 50 plus 78. So that's 128. Now angle 2 and angle 1 form a straight line. So if that's 128, angle 2 is whatever 180 minus 128 is, or 52. Let's see here. I don't think we can get angle 3. Oh yeah, we can. So 120 here is the exterior angle, which means that angle 2 and angle 3 have to add up to 120. And if I know 2 is 52, angle 3 is going to be 120 minus 52, which is 68. Now angle 4 and 120 form a straight line, so angle 4 is 180 minus 120, which is 60. And now angle 5 is the remote, or is the exterior. 4 and 56 are the remote interiors, so 5 is equal to 60 plus 56, or 116 degrees. So that's just working your way around the triangle to get all the parts. Last thing here is just a corollary. The first one here deals with a right angle. It says the acute angles of a right angle are complementary. So if one of the angles is 90, the other two angles have to add up to 90, complementary, which makes sense because if all three are 180 and 90 of it is taken up here, the other two have to make up the other 90. And then 4.2 here, there can be at most one right or obtuse angle in a triangle. So here is one right, the other two must be acute. Here's one obtuse, the other two must be acute. If you try to put more than one right angle in a triangle, it actually doesn't close and you don't have a triangle. The same thing is true for multiple obtuse angles. The shape doesn't close, so neither of those are triangles. And that's the end of section 4.2.